Good morning, students. Welcome to HIT 175, the Health Info Stats and Research. We are CRN 10945. I wanted to show you how to access your eText here in D2L. So we're going to go to the class. We're going to go to Content. Under Content, we're going to go to Class Resources. Under Class Resources, we will scroll down under Schedule of Work to the eText. It will look like that. You'll open it up and you'll go to BNC First Day. Under BNC First Day, it'll take a minute or two, but then should pop up right here your text. And when you scroll down, you'll hit Read Now. And again, it'll take a little bit to load, but as soon as it does, then you should have access to your text. And it will end up looking just like this. So you can go right to chapter 1 if you want and start reading from here. I hope that is helpful to you and have a great day.